Hello, today I'm with Sharp Aquos TV and I'm gonna show you how you can perform the first setup of this device. So as you can see right now, when we got this screen, we have to select the language, and of course you are navigate by using these arrows on your remote control. So let's set up the English. Click OK to confirm on your remote control. Right now we have to select our country, so I'm gonna pick Poland. Right now we get notification that we are able to connect with the Wi-Fi network or use cable and just connect wired. Of course I'm gonna use wireless network, so just select use wireless or skip network setting, because you can also connect to the Wi-Fi network when you finish the first setup, but in my case I'm gonna connect right now. Right now our TV is looking for available devices around us, and as you can see I can find few of them. So for example, if you want to connect for the first Wi-Fi network, just click on it, and right now we have to input the password. Okay, right now I have to switch from the numbers to letters. Okay, let me just clear it. So that's one more time. Okay, so when you want to go forward for the letters, you have to click after you get the numbers. So just like that. One more time. Okay, and when you finish, you can just select enter, and you can also be sure to select the password visible, and right now we can check the password. So click OK to confirm. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see we are successfully connected with the Wi-Fi network, so we can press OK to continue, and in this place we are able to pick the environment, so we can go for the home mode or store mode. Of course in my case I'm just setting up this device to the home, so I go to home mode, and right now we can select the installation way, so we can choose between the TV stand or wall mode. In my case it's the TV stand, and here we are able to choose input sources. As you can see, we can find actually a lot of different sources that we can select. So if you connect, for example, the HDMI 1, just select this one and you will be straight right here in the source. Okay, and as you can see right now we go through this setup step by step. It was very simple actually, and what you can do right now when you are in your TV, you can for example tap on the menu button on your remote control, and you can just enjoy, like, download more apps, watch YouTube or something like that. Okay, so right now that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.